Hi everyone, my name is Linda Cullen from CraftyStampin.com. I'm part of a team of Stampin' Up! Demonstrators called Paper Pumpkin Exclusive Video Crew, or PPX Crew for short. We have teamed up so we can give our subscribers and team members exclusive project ideas, creations that we have made with the contents of the Paper Pumpkin kits. These bonus tutorial videos are for our subscribers and team members only, so please do not share these video links with others. Is this not the most cute box? I just absolutely love the plaid on this box, so that is the part of the kit that I really wanted to work with. So this is the adorable card we're going to make. If you have a birthday in October, I am sending you a Halloween card. That's just how it's going to work. So I decided I wanted to use, this is for the car, and for the kit, this is like a belly band around the box. So we're going to use it as our DSP for our card. So let's get going. So the first thing we're going to do, I have the fresh freesia as my card base, and there will be a list of all the cut sizes at the end that you can screenshot. So hold on. All right, so here we go. We'll use the bone folder, and I'm going to set this aside for right now. And what I want to do is we're going to cut this. And to do that, I am using the rectangle stitch dies, and I'm using these from over here, so this size. And so there's this middle two. And to cut this one, we are using the smallest. So it's the second smallest from over here. We're going to use this one for something else, so we're holding that out. So we'll start here. I can use my mini Stampin' Emboss machine. So I'm going to stick this through here. And we're going to line this up. And I like to use a Post-it note to hold it, because I want to try and maximize the amount that I can get out of here. You know, get as many cuts as I like. All right, hold on. This is going to slide all over the place. So let's move all this. There we go. And hold on. Sometimes it takes a little bit. There you go. To get the sandwich to line up just the way you need it to go through. Alright, so pop the first one out. Do that 4 more times. Okay. So now I have my 5. I have a piece of gorgeous grape, and I'm going to attach all of these to that. Let's see. Kind of like that, so that black line doesn't run. We just want to be a little different. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to eyeball these. So first thing we want to do is eyeball the middle. And all right, so now once you eyeball the first one, then I'll line the bottom of this panel up with the bottom, and I just make sure that these all line up with the same line on my grid paper. So I find it's easier to put the seal on the base, the gorgeous grape, and I will then apply the die cut to that. So I'm going to line this up on the bottom and eyeball it on the side, so I just have a small reveal, and I do the same thing over here. Okay, make sure those two are lined up. line that up on the bottom. Make sure I get about the same reveal that I have over there. Done. Now repeat over here. Line this up and then eyeball that it's in the middle of the two other panels. If it's slightly off, not going to worry about it. And same with this one here. There we go. So I use the line on all those. Not bad for an eyeball. It's a card. We're not gonna, it's not a science project. So what I want to do is I'm going to add this to my card base, and I like a bumpy card. So we're going to use a whole bunch of dimensionals because I love the shadow lines on a card like this. That's what gives it the interest. So I try to get the dimensional backings off. There we go. All right. So now center this on the card base. All right. All right, so let's take Gorgeous Grape. And this is the Trick or Treat from the kit. And we're going to stamp Gorgeous Grape onto pumpkin pie. Right over here. Now, stamp, cut, and emboss. The size up from the one we used to cut out the DSP. Again, let's grab a new Post-it. And I'll line this up on the left side of the die. Okay. Send this through. All right, so there's our Trick or Treat. And bring back our card base. More dimensionals. Go across the middle. So make sure it attaches to the center. And put that in the center. Then I'm going to grab these fun dies that were in the kit. I'm going to use the ghost, so there's no reason why you couldn't use the spider. And again, more dimensionals. All right. And I'm going to put him here. Now, you can always take this up a little bit more, add a few black matte dots. Let's do that. Just because I can never stop myself from adding bling. Grab a take a pick tool. I use the bigger ones. Let's add some fun dots. Let's take some smaller ones too. Because you can. So there we go. There's my card. So let's take a quick peek. Next month we have the amazing Ho 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 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So make sure your subscription is in good standing for October 10th because that is when everything's going to run. You want to get this kit in time to make all the fun stuff for Christmas. And here are the cut sizes for the card we just made. So take a screenshot of this. And here are the supplies I used. But then you also got to add the matte black dots that I just had to add in there at the end. So thank you everybody for joining me this month. And I will see you next month. Bye.